What's your favorite cooker? Cookie. Okay. So. Oh wait, I forgot. In the other episode, I said we were making pasta, but I actually cooked up a gay man. LOL. First, we need to get a little melon cooler. Make sure you don't put your leg inside it. It is super dangerous. Then you gotta get a melon from your freezer out, and then put it in there. Leave it for 3 days, or 2, or 1, or just the normal hour. Then check on it. Since it's now freeze it again. Yippee, it's getting frozen. Now you got frozen melon. Ow, it's cold. Okay. Good thing I didn't die. Oh, and also I have infinite lives. No, the watermelon. Oh, you have to restart it. Okay. Another hour. Please go faster. Ooh, I see the time. To a different path. If I'm waiting, you have to wait, LOL. What the hell? I was not clicking on any of this. What the hell? Please go away, Molly. Okay. Now you have to get the melon out. Find. This is so hard. Just get a normal damn melon. I'm getting tired of this. Okay. Get off me, get off me. Finally. Back to the board. Okay. Now you got your melon. It's lagging. Yeah, go over this. Here. Over this. Oh wait, I was going the wrong way. Okay. So where are we? Okay. You gotta go to your pond. Where do I sit down? Okay, I'm gonna get a random this. Yeah. Let's get this. Okay. Now I can open the pot and have some space to move around. So, we got open the pot, obviously. Okay. Gotta be careful. Oh no. No, this is my worst nightmare. Okay. Good. I did not delete him. Okay. You gotta put it in the... Okay. Centuries. What the? Okay. Where the hell is it? Ooh, I found it. Okay. You have put in the melon. Why isn't this? Wait a minute. And maybe drop in whatever you like. I like pumpkins. Add a second one if you like. Cookie. Yeah, I love cookies. This time it's not a gay person or a real person. It's a real cookie. Oh, no, all the ingredients. Ugh. I wish all this was frozen. Cookie, cookie, cookie. Only add in free stuff. Or else it will be ruined. So, since I accidentally deleted the cookie, I mean the melon and the pumpkin, you have to, I don't know. Okay, so first you gotta get a juice box from your house, pour it in here. It's so laggy. Now that you have this in here, OMG, he's rolling. No. Time to respawn him. Okay, I'm back. Okay. So you gotta I'm really thinking. Get it done. OMG, what? How's a fish? They're eating the dogs. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pets. Oh well. And I put my bag. Okay. So now, you gotta get your stick. This time I'm not using a metal rod. Make sure it's real tall so you can reach it. This is a bit too tall, but it's okay. Oh no, not my cookie. Oh, I really wanted to. Whoa, get the stick out, Ow, it whacked me. Oof. Oh, please, no. Do not fall. Okay. It is so laggy. Okay. I hurt all over. I cannot walk. R.I.P. the little guy. Goodbye.